Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's episode, where we'll journey into the incredible realm of AI and discover how it's weaving its way into every corner of our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. I'm thrilled to guide you on this adventure, beginning with tales of AI once reserved for science fiction, talking machines, robot helpers, and automated cars. Once sparked our wildest dreams, but now they're slowly becoming part of our routines, offering us friendly reminders to pick up milk or subtly adjusting room temperatures for maximum comfort. We'll explore how AI tools spark creativity in art, music, and storytelling, giving people around the world new ways to express themselves and collaborate. We'll also reflect on how these systems adapt to our personal habits, gently suggesting the next big idea or the perfect movie to watch, yet prompting us to wonder how much of our lives we're comfortable sharing with these tireless virtual assistants. As we continue, I'll dive into the intriguing ways AI might help solve global challenges, like smarter energy use and more accurate medical diagnoses, and discuss the possibilities that come from machines tirelessly analyzing problems we'd hardly know where to begin solving. But I'll also invite you to consider the importance of keeping an eye on the ethical and social consequences of a world increasingly shaped by machines, raising questions about fairness, privacy, and accountability. Finally, we'll wrap up by imagining a future where AI not only works alongside us to tackle everyday tasks, but also inspires us to dream bigger, push boundaries, and shape the world in ways we've never thought possible. Reminding us that, beneath all the innovative technology, it's our own hope, curiosity, and empathy that will drive the future of AI for generations to come.